Hello friends, welcome to my class. Here is the class of stock market winner and I'm your friend Patrick. So last time we have talked about how to do the trick and about one indicator of homely sulfide, and today is the second part. Okay, so before my class I will tell you my outline of this class. The first, how should we trade, and the second is homely investment theory. Okay, so many people always want to buy low and sell high, right? So, but not all the people can buy low and sell high because it's very difficult. For example, let me show you the one in one line. Okay, you can see this one. So you can see sometimes the price comes down and comes up, then comes down. So here, when the price dropping down, means what? Now means the risk, right? The risk. But here, when it make a new low and then go up, okay, here means the chance. And here, when the price meet a high point or make a new high and then it comes down, so here also means the risk. Okay, so many people ask me, so Patrick, why cannot I buy at a very low position? So do you have any method? Actually, I have told them, if you do the trading, actually this decision is wrong. Why? Because in the share market or in the stock market, you know, many people always want to buy very low and sell very high. Actually, I have told them it's impossible. Impossible. So anyway, if you do if you do the stock trading, maybe you will buy at a very low position only once or twice. Okay, so you cannot buy at a very low position all the time. It's very difficult. And it's the same with this one. If you want to sell at a high point, also very important. Do you think you can make it? Actually, you cannot, right? So don't imagine you want to buy low, very low, and sell very high. It's impossible actually. So how should we do trade? I have told you this one is the risk and this one is the chance, right? So here, this one, what's the point of this one? Actually, this one means the downtrend has been broken and it has been uptrend. So let me show you how to confirm the trend. First, the price dropping down. Actually, here is the higher, is what? It's a lower high, right? Lower high and lower low. That is means this is the downtrend, right? Downtrend. Okay, so sometimes when the price breaking up, this line is the downtrend line, and the price breaking up the downtrend line, and then it go correction and go up. That is means now here is the uptrend. This point and this point, okay, this is the first point and this is second point. This point means the broken up, and here means the double confirm. Now the low point actually is the higher low, right? So this is means the uptrend and the downtrend has been broken. Okay, so next, the price comes up so fast and very high. You can see the low point, right? So I draw lines. You can see the price go up and then go correction, right? Go correction. But here breaking down. So here, this point you should be careful. And then when the price break it down, and it will rebound to this part and then drop down. So here, this broken down, you should be careful. Maybe the trend will be changed. The uptrend will be changed to downtrend. And this point, When the price go rebound to this line actually have the resistance for the price. Okay, this is double confirm. So now means the trend has been changed. The downtrend has been changed to the uptrend has been changed to downtrend. So it's very important. Okay, so this is how to confirm the trend. And the third pattern is the sideways. The sideways. Actually, the sideways is very difficult to do the research. So if you want to know how to make a decision to buy or sell in sideways, I will tell you later. Okay. So this is how should we do trade. Actually, we know the uptrend and downtrend here. Uptrend, downtrend, right? So actually, especially, I take that raise an example. If they in Malaysia stock market, you can see you participate the uptrend. Here, if you participate, you buy at the uptrend and then hold it. Actually, you make money, right? Here you make money. But here, if the price dropping down, actually you can make money when the price rebound, right? When the price rebound, actually, if it's dropping down very sharply, and then you buy, and it always dropping down. So here, maybe you lose money very easy. So that's why we always tell our friends or our member, you should participate in uptrend. You should avoid the downtrend. It's very important. Okay, so this is Hong Lee investment theory. So what's the real Hong Lee investment theory? So let me tell you the second part. So index first, stock next, long term first, short term next, and operate the familiar. So let me tell you. Actually, we start from Beijing in 1998, and we opened the new branch in Singapore in 2009. We opened the new branch in Malaysia is 2013. So up to now, so far we use this investment theory for about the 18 years. 18 years. So we can see this philosophy, it has nearly about the 20 years, right? About the 20 years. But it is correct. It has been proved by the China market, the Singapore market, and the Hong Kong market, also the Malaysia market. Okay. So about the index first, stock next. About first part, focus on system trends or system risk. For example, the American stock, the China stock, and the Europe stock, they all dropping down or the comes down. So what do you think? Actually, it means the system risk, right? Not the system chance. If tomorrow the American stock go up, the China market go up, and the Europe go up, all the Asia stocks go up, okay, here means the system chance, right? So you can make a decision to buy. Okay, it's very safe. And then the second is focus on the main trend. So what's the main trend? Actually, the main trend means the index trend. Index trend. You should be careful about the index. Actually, the index is the representative of the whole stock market, right? So the third is uptrend here it should be can make a high success rate. Can make high success rate. So this is very important. Okay, let's see. Next. Here's the KLC and the AirAsia. So this is the index. This is the This is the individual stock. Okay. And here you can see the index go up, and here the individual stock go up, and here the index dropping down, right? But here it go correction and go up. So here means what? Here means what? Go correction, dropping down, right? Here means the individual stock is stronger than the index, and here the price, here the index goes sideways, and here go up. and then it's go up. Here correction, right? But here go up, right? Go correction, but here go correction, it go sideways, okay? And then go up, and then correction. Actually, you can see this part and this part actually is stronger than the index, right? This is the aeration. Let's see another. This one. As actually this one is the KLCI. And here is the Globotronics. Here you can see the index. What is the higher low, right? Higher low. And here it goes sideways, right? When the index dropping down, and it's dropping down, right? But here is very interesting thing. You can see the index higher low, right? But here you can see the low point. Actually, here is the lower high, lower low, right? So it goes downtrend, but the KLCI goes uptrend. Actually, now the Globotronics is weaker than the KLCI. So this is how to make a comparison about between the index and the individual stock. Okay. So the second is long-term first, short-term next. Okay, the long-term first decides the mid-term decides short-term. This is the reason why we make a decision based on daily chart, not the time sharing plans. Here is the monthly chart, weekly chart, and daily chart. So if we make decision, you can see the monthly chart goes uptrend. Here, the weekly chart goes uptrend. So we can see the daily chart. One candlestick means the 1 day, right? One trading day. So it also goes up. So that is means now it goes good. But here you can see this is the Globotronics. You can see this one, the monthly chart dropping down, weekly chart dropping down, and then the daily chart dropping down. So here we can avoid the risk. We shouldn't buy it, right? So this is how to make comparison in different period: monthly chart, weekly chart, and daily chart. So very obvious. So this is a time sharing plans. You can see this one. If you consider to buy, actually, for example, if you consider to buy as this one, you can see in the morning this one pull up very high, right? So maybe here you feel very excited. Why? Because you think this price maybe have potential. Okay, so if you rush in and then you hold it, actually you can see in the trading day it make only two high points, and then is the lower high, right? So if you make a decision to buy at this day, if you consider to buy at this day, so maybe you will lose money actually, right? So that is means you cannot make a correct decision in the trading time. So next, here is also very dangerous. This is the Gending. And actually, if you consider to buy, sometimes you can see this is a high points. Actually, you can see the price dropping down and lower high. Actually, now if you consider to buy, okay, then it goes down. So this stock is blue chips, and then it's dropping down. Okay, it's dropping down. So the volume, you can see the volume is not so is a little small, and here the volume is larger, right? Larger. But here means what? Means a lot of people consider to sell. Maybe they won't be locked, right? So this is the ending. So you cannot make a correct decision in the trading time. So the time sharing plans, I should tell you, the price changes so fast. We cannot make a rational decision in real time chart. So we cannot make it. Anyway, if we want to trade, we need to stay calm, right? Stay calm. Actually, you can see this one. Open here, and then rush actually comes up. So here maybe you make a wrong decision to buy. Okay, if you make a wrong decision to buy and then hold it, you can see in this trading day you lose money, right? You lose money. So it's very dangerous, very dangerous. It's 8 point about the 8.3 ringgit, but here when it's closing, it's near the 790 ringgit, right? So it's very dangerous. That's why we do not suggest our members make a decision in trading time. Okay, so we need to stay calm. That's very important. Okay, so we always talk about the formula. Knowledge. Okay, knowledge. The knowledge includes the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis. Okay, both okay. Knowledge, and then you should have the tool, and then the mindset. About the tool, actually is the source file. You can use one source file, but if you do it very well, you needn't have one source file. But here the mindset is very important, because if you have a very advanced method to do the trading, but you have the very bad mindset, so it's very dangerous. Actually, it's equals to success. This formula it has been verified for 18 years. 18 years. Okay. So this is about today's topic. So operate with the familiar. So I should tell you, operate your familiar sectors and the field. Know the basic information of the stock. Know the basic method of trading. Know the basic pattern of the stock, and know what status of the stock, up or down. So very easy to judge. So if you have any question, you don't know how to judge the status of your stock, so you can send to me. So here I provide here the 3 markets: Malaysia, Singapore, and Hong Kong. So if you want to check your stocks, please contact me. This is my WhatsApp, and here is my email. Okay, so if you got any question, so you can send to me. If you want to ask some question about the stock, so you also can send to me. Both okay. And here also my WeChat. So if you got the WeChat, you can scan my picture. Okay, today it's time to say goodbye. And if you have any question, so you can I'm so glad that you can contact me. Okay, see you next time. Thank you. Bye.